Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul.
Celebrate God's goodness through this fellowship, this food.
Congratulations, Mommy, sa promotion. This is not just the fruit of few years lang labor, pero decades na decades of preparation ni Lord. But we are so blessed with your life, G.
Yes.
Naging blessed.
Naman mo.
Salamat sa Ginoo kay na tawag na binigyan mo. Congratulations.
Inaman sa kanunay panabang.
Yeah! Works.
Just thankful lang din siguro ko sa Ginoo for everything na last time niya.
Yes, MD, dito na nako na-appreciate ang course. Kaya daghan na i-field. Pwede kasudlan sa nutrition, pwede ka sa clinical, which is as clinical dietitian, pwede ka sa public health nutritionist, which is kanini akong gitahak karon, pwede ka sa food service, pwede ka mag-clinic, nutrition clinic, or kanang consultant, no? So daghan kaya siya nag-cut across. But to make